Ready, start. In the context of the present war situation in the country, the Reserve Bank of India has suggested to banks that they should meet on a priority basis any increase in the financial requirement of industry to manufacture and supply goods for defense efforts as well as to increase production in general and ensure smooth distribution of goods, particularly in the border areas. Stop. This has been indicated by the Governor of the Reserve Bank in a letter to the various scheduled commercial banks. Full stop. Next stanza. In order to facilitate the quick disposal of defense orders, banks are advised to grant credit, adequately and quickly, to unit which are producing on the basis of firm orders from the Defense Ministry Department materials, equipments, etc. for the supply of goods for defense purposes. Stop. For this purpose, banks may, on merits, grant defense packing, supply credit limits against confirmed defense orders or acceptance of tenders. Full stop. Banks may consider granting similar facilities in respect of subcontractors providing materials, etc. to primary suppliers fulfilling defense orders. Stop. The Reserve Bank's prior authorization under the credit authorization scheme need not be obtained by banks for sanction of these credit facilities at earlier and pre-delivery or the post-delivery stages. Stop. Such limits should, however, be reported to the banks subsequently as quickly as possible. Full stop. Stanza. The Reserve Bank has decided to make available to banks full refinance facilities at the bank rate. Stop. For the purpose of refinance for the defense packing, supply credit, the bank would provide refinance under the old bill market scheme under section 17 C of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Stop. For availing would of the facility. Stop. It would be necessary for banks to grant such advances under separate accounts as was being done under the old bill market scheme. Stop. In view of the priority nature of this credit and the availability of refinance on preferential basis, banks could consider making available adequate credit for this purpose on liberal terms and conditions, such as in respect of margins, etc., so as to help the industry as far as possible. Full stop. Stanza. In situations when some increase in limits and credit is called for owing to the pile up of inventory due to factors beyond the control of the units such as transport troubles and inability of dealers and border areas to accept deliveries, banks may permit an automatic payment of all credit limits up to 15% in such cases. This, too, would not require the Reserve Bank's prior authorization. The banks may have also been asked to increase the bill discounting facilities when it becomes necessary to extend the limit of bills to 90 days. In granting defense credit facilities for purchase to raw materials, manufacture and processing thereof, and against relative supply bills till the bills are paid by government department, banks would take the usual precaution so as to ensure that they are utilized for the specific purpose in view and not misused. They may also ensure that the outstandings in the relative account in respect of a single party do not at any time exceed the total amount of defense orders to be executed by that party, and the outstanding amount of government supply bills tendered through the bank. We are sure this facility will help industries to maintain their production, and at the same time business in banks as well as markets will not suffer. We are sure members will welcome this and take full advantage as for available